talking all about affiliate marketing with Amazon and how you can start right now.
Guys, so let me just do Amazon.com, Amazon Associates. If you type Amazon Associates into the Google search bar, you will see pretty quickly as it loads up, it's going to come up with this page right here. It's the affiliate program for Amazon if you are not familiar with it. So I'm going to go through quickly signing up. It'll take 2 seconds, and then I'm going to dive into some of the strategies and how you want to actually start making money if you already have an account. You'll sign up quick. The way you have to sign up is you're going to have to provide a website of some kind. When you get to that point, for me, it's just logging right in. When you get to that point of providing a website of some kind, what I recommend you do is, if you have a website, great, which I'm going to talk about ways to promote going forward, maybe a landing page or maybe even a YouTube channel that you have. I threw it down, and then you can write some stuff about what you're doing. I don't know. I've heard that it has become harder to do, but I've had no problem doing it with putting down a YouTube channel for me. So that is what I have done. If you have an actual website, great. You put that down, and you can actually start easily making an account and getting approved pretty fast. It should not take that long to do so. Okay, and once you have that, here I'm in the back office. I guess you can say I don't promote things super hard with my Amazon Associates account. I will tell you guys how I do it in a second. But I'm going to go through, let's go to reports, the reports tab, to show you kind of what it looks like. I actually have made a sale. I forget when exactly it was. It wasn't in the past 30 days at the time I'm filming this, but I don't promote my affiliate links from Amazon. So I understand why. I'm going to do a custom date range. Okay, so when I click custom date range, you can kind of see and go back through time. So maybe if I put, let's go back November 1st to now. Boom, boom. Okay, so here's actually, yeah, I got a sale right around then, or November 4th. It was a sale for .com Secrets and Expert Secrets, actually books that I think I recommend. The total value of the books was $11.98, and I actually earned 48 cents. So that's essentially what the numbers worked out to be. You don't actually earn too much money, especially when it comes to books, but I'm going to give you guys some strategies towards the end that are going to show you guys how to actually maximize these earnings and how you can actually be making a decent living or decent income from Amazon Associates. So that's kind of what it looks like. It tells you how many clicks you get. Some days I have a lot of clicks, some days I don't. Where this is actually if you go down to my, let's go to my, all right, so when it comes down to the commission rates, and they call it the fixed standard program fee rates, it gives you a ton of categories here inside the program, and here is where you can see what the commissions are. So let me see if I can find physical books. Yeah, so physical books is where my thing would be, my the thing that I sold. And so I earned a 4.5% commission. And so if the book is under $10, it's really, you can see how it's not going to add up to be that much money at all. Okay, but what you want to do here is if you're promoting things, what you want to look for is things up around that 5 to 10% range, and you guys can go through and see. For example, a lot of outdoor things are up there, private label, Amazon fashion, beauty, luxury beauty, things like that. So maybe that's something you want to get into. Maybe the headphones, maybe some electronic devices and stuff like that. If you want to get into those types of things, then you definitely can actually make a decent commission off of your sales. And it says at the bottom, all other categories, 4%. So you guys can check and double check to make sure what you're promoting falls in a range that is obviously up to you to figure out, right, what you think is acceptable and what you can handle. But after that, guys, you can kind of go off this and start promoting products as you please. Now, the other really great thing I want to touch on really quick before we move on to the next step here is the way Amazon works is when someone clicks on your link, they have a 24-hour cookie. What that essentially means is the person who clicked that link is being tracked by Amazon for 24 hours, and unless they clear their cookies or whatever, and they're tracked for 24 hours, and no matter what they buy, you're going to get a commission under. So if you brought them to Amazon for a book, like for example I did, and they ended up buying like an super expensive who knows what, right, TV or whatever, then I'm going to get a commission for that TV as well. So that's where it can be pretty lucrative, because just getting people to Amazon first is great, and then Amazon's becoming a massive place for people to go and buy things online. So once you have people under you still have them for 24 hours. So especially guys towards the end of the year, towards that Christmas time, people are buying things no matter what. So if you get people there just to click on a link, chances are they may actually buy something even if it's not directly from you in the near future. So that's something you definitely want to take into account, and something that you should be very excited about going forward when you're promoting things as an affiliate for Amazon. All right, so when it comes to actually making money as an affiliate, right, it's where you put these links, and it's how you promote them that's going to make you the money. So if you have a couple things I want to go through, if you have an email list, if you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel like mine, you see how I do it. Any of those types of things, even an Instagram page where you can recommend links or you put links somewhere, anything like that is going to allow you to become an affiliate for Amazon. So the way you want to use that is now use things that are going to help the people that you're providing value to, or whatever it is. If you have a website about let's say football, for example, as we're looking at one right here. If you have a website about football, maybe you recommend cleats, footballs, all on your website, and you have links to those things on your website. And with Amazon Associates, the way that they make it very, very easy for you to actually put up banners and pictures that are going to directly link to the products and things like that on your website. They have all that stuff. It's very, very easy and very simple to do. For me, I just deal with the links. So I take the link and I use the link and I promote the link. That's about all I do. So if you have an email list, if you ever read a really good book, guys, and you want to make a review video on YouTube is huge. If you can make a review video on YouTube, you guys can do extremely well, because people who are watching that review have a high intent to buy, and they're watching your review to see if they want to actually go through and buy the item. So if they do like your review, if you promote a product that actually helps you and provides value to you, chances are it's going to help them as well. So when you make that review, promoting that and recommending ultimately to go buy that product with the link you have wherever it is, whether it's an article, whether it's a video, people are going to go through and actually buy, and maybe buy even more than what you expected. So you can make a decent amount of money. Now, what people are wondering is, can you actually use Amazon Associates as your main source or your main affiliate program? Now, I honestly don't think so. The way I do affiliate marketing is I promote much more higher ticket products. If you're going to use Amazon, I think it can totally become a decent income. Now, I don't think it's going to become a massive main income source, and I don't think that's how you want to structure it. The way I would recommend structuring things is this. If you want Amazon to be a large part of whatever you do, I recommend, if you have some sort of offer you're promoting, or if you're promoting a training, or if you're teaching people how to do things, okay? Maybe there's something from Amazon, which I can almost guarantee you'll find something. There's almost anything you want on Amazon. You'll find something that is going to help someone do something that you want them to do. Okay, so if you want to show people how to learn affiliate marketing, for example, and you have a training video on YouTube, or you have a video on YouTube, and then from there, you get them to opt their email in. Maybe from there, guys, you can recommend them books from Amazon about email or affiliate marketing, right? So you can do that. Or you have a structure. Okay, so if you write an ebook, maybe in that ebook you can recommend other products, other things that could be of value to people who are reading that ebook. That's another way you can actually start making money with Amazon, because you already got people to buy your book. Chances are that they're going to actually go out and do what you recommend them to do, to buying things in the future, whether that's books, products, whatever it is. And now a huge thing that I know a lot of people are probably questioning, it's when it comes to can you use paid advertising to actually make money with Amazon? And the thing about paid advertising is that it's very dangerous, because you can easily mess it up when you try paid advertising for anything you want. It's very, very hard to actually get that to work for even a high ticket offer. So when it comes to paid advertising, I would recommend a funnel approach. What that means, guys, I have examples of funnels on my channel of how to do funnels and all that type of stuff, and I will make more in the future. But the way that works is you have to funnel them through a process, and that process could be anything you want. But let's say your funnel, right, is about teaching people how to do affiliate marketing. You have affiliate marketing offers and books and things like that. What you want to do is you actually want to start with something, get them opted into the funnel, get them somewhere, and then take them through a process of multiple steps in the process before they can actually take away everything that they want to take away and become the best possible affiliate marketer, for example. So how do you exactly do that? Well, you can have a Facebook ad, you can have an Instagram ad, you can have a Google ad, any type of ad you want, any type of paid ad that you want. But from there, you want to go through and say, hey guys, step one is going to be get your mindset right. And then you recommend a book about a mindset. So then you get someone into reading that book right away. That's step one. It's going to be cheap. It's not going to be super hard. And they know it's coming from Amazon, right? They're going to Amazon to buy this book. So it can't be, it can't be a scam. It's Amazon, right? And then from there, maybe you take them to the next part and say, okay, now you have the mindset. Now you need to develop a skill. Okay, here, take this course. You give them a course, or maybe you give them a free training that then leads to an affiliate course that you're promoting. Okay, then so after that course, maybe you recommend a site like Udemy where they can buy solo ads, and underneath you, they can sign up for an account and start purchasing some solo ads, which you're then getting commissions on. So that's how you know what I'm saying. So you want to structure it in a way where you can actually have multiple levels of affiliate marketing, rather than running a paid advertisement to just one thing and hoping that you can get people to buy or to get on your email list. This way, people can go through a process where if someone were to go through the entire process, their value is going to be much, much more. So this way, you can now use Amazon to actually get people to then further go through the process, because they're going to be in a better mindset. They're going to be more open to potentially buying courses and investing in themselves in the future. So you know what I'm saying? So maybe that's where you start. You get them in on a low ticket item, and then from there, you start to build trust and get them further along in buying more. So I don't recommend it as a number one, income source when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you have a website, maybe it is. But when it comes to that type of stuff, guys, you can do very well, and it can be a decent income source. So I recommend definitely trying it out, definitely signing up. I currently don't promote it super hard, but if I make videos about reviews of books and things like that, you guys know why. It's because I have affiliate links down below that are showing people and giving people the book that I'm reviewing because they have buyer's intent. All right, guys, that makes sense. I hope it did. If it did, leave this video a thumbs up down below. Also, guys, comment if you want to hear any more information about maybe that paid advertising that I was talking about. If you want to hear more, if you want a separate video about that exact structure and how that works, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Okay, guys, if you like this video, go down and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, guys, my top 5 tips are always linked as the first link in the description down below. Free bonus plus my number 1 recommendation going forward for free, guys. Go check that out. Guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.